In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend order email in Shopify on desktop. If a customer missed their order confirmation or didn't receive a shipping update, you can resend that notification directly from your Shopify admin. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means so you can handle this quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and logging in to your Shopify admin on your desktop. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Orders. This takes you to your full list of orders. Locate the specific order you're working with, then click its order number to open the details page. You're now in the right place to access the email history for that order. On the Order Details page, scroll down until you reach the Timeline section. The timeline is where Shopify records key events and notifications related to the order. Here, you'll see entries for messages like order confirmation, shipping confirmation, or other automated notifications that were sent. Find the exact email you want to resend. If you see multiple entries of the same type, use the timestamps to pick the correct one. Under that entry, click Resend Email. A dialog will appear, labeled according to the message you selected, such as Resend Order Confirmation, or the relevant notification type. In this dialog, you have two choices. You can resend the email to the customer, which delivers the standard notification to the email address on the order, or you can send the email to yourself if you want to review it or keep a copy. Sending it to yourself is helpful if you want to confirm the content or verify how it will look in an inbox before the customer sees it. Once you've made your selection, click Send. That's it. Shopify will take care of sending that specific notification based on the option you chose. Keep in mind, this action resends the predefined Shopify notification as it was designed. It doesn't edit the content of the email or change any order details. If the email includes tracking or fulfillment info, it will reflect whatever is currently on the order. After sending, you can return to the timeline to confirm the resend action is recorded. If you chose to send it to yourself, check your inbox to make sure it arrived as expected. And that's how you resend an order email in Shopify on desktop. Fast, clear, and reliable whenever you need to get a confirmation or shipping update back in front of your customer.